Doing the last box of memories on the night for Aaron. Good luck. Put the autos underneath. All right, so you got Scott Bankhead, Mariano Duncan, Luis Polonia, Mike Dunn, Dwayne Ward, Nick Castellanos, Lou Brock. You got a red. It's a funny red, too. Nomar Mazara. Your gold is Mark Carrion, 4 out of 5 for the Mets. And your red is Rob Deere, Mr. Home Run, 101. Rob Deere. That guy can hit him a mile. All right, your autos are Bill Mazeroski. It's a nice one. 6 out of 25. And your other one is, wow, Nolan Ryan. 29 out of 34. Aaron, the sleeve inside the Mazeroski is a little whack. You can see it. I didn't do it. It came that way, brother. So when you get it, don't get mad. I think the card is fine. But you see the sleeve is like all bent up. And you hit Nolan Ryan, so that was a nice box. Good job, buddy. Nolan Ryan and a Rob Deere and a Mazeroski. I mean, that's a good box of memories.